In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. By the end, you'll feel confident admitting a guest into your Google Meet quickly and safely, using the built-in waiting room prompts. First, open your Google Meet link in your browser and enter the meeting as you normally would. This is the same link you shared with your participant ahead of time. If you use multiple Google accounts, make sure you're in the correct one for this meeting. Joining from a desktop with a stable connection usually provides the smoothest experience, but these steps work the same on most devices. Once you're in the meeting, keep an eye on the top of your screen or near the bottom toolbar. When a participant requests to join, Google Meet shows a clear notification that someone is waiting. You'll see a prompt labeled something like, "Admit one guest." This label means one person is currently in the lobby, ready to be let in. The waiting room exists to protect your meeting from unexpected visitors, so only admit people you recognize or are expecting. If you're hosting a larger session, the message may indicate more than one guest is waiting, but the action remains the same. Go ahead and click the Admit One Guest prompt. This is your initial confirmation that you want to proceed. It's designed to be fast and visible so you don't miss it while you're speaking or sharing your screen. If the notification times out, don't worry. Google Meet keeps pending requests available for review, and you'll see another prompt when the guest tries again. After you click that first prompt, a small confirmation window appears with a clear Admit button. Click Admit. This second confirmation helps prevent accidental approvals, especially in busy meetings or when multiple requests arrive at once. As soon as you confirm, the guest moves from the lobby into your meeting and can see and hear the ongoing conversation. Once they're in, give a quick greeting and check that their microphone and camera are working on their end. If at any point you don't recognize a name, it's best not to admit the request. Keeping your meeting link private and sharing it only with invited participants helps reduce unwanted join attempts. That's it. Open your meeting, click Admit One Guest when the request appears, and confirm by clicking Admit. With these simple steps, you'll manage your lobby smoothly and keep your sessions secure and on track. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next Google Meet.